Hi everybody, Ryan Hammond here with more tips and tools for managers. Today I want to talk about the Monday morning huddle. Now huddles aren't new, but for me it was something that really saved me as a new manager. Let me give you a little bit of background. I became the manager, my very first real manager job was to become the manager of a team that I've been an individual contributor on. And as such, I had this long list of to-do items and issues I needed to resolve. We always have that in every job, right? But then on Monday, I became the manager of the team. And then I had 10 more people who had issues and problems and things that they needed to have resolved. And who do you go to? You go to the manager. And I started taking all that on. And it wasn't too long, maybe 3 hours into my first day, when I realized I can't do this. I can't sustain this. This is going to kill me from the sheer weight of it all. So what I did at the end of that week, I muddled through the week. And at the end of the week, I thought I've got to come up with a better solution. So on the weekend, I thought it through and I came back on Monday with this concept of the Monday morning huddle. And it was super simple. It didn't have an agenda or anything. Well, it had a 2-item agenda. So what I did is I found a place in the building where I could put 10 chairs in a half circle and an 11th chair for me across from the half circle. And then I said, I need to know 2 things as we go into this. First of all, what have you got coming up this week that you need help with? And second, what can you help with as you hear other people talk about what they need help with? And it was magical. I had come to the end of the previous week with 2 pages of issues I was very unsuccessfully trying to churn through. And then when we got through the end of this Monday morning huddle, 15 minutes into Monday, I had 2 items. So that's what I'm talking about. Something like this can really be helpful. So if you don't have something like this and you feel like you're just being inundated and smothered by a bunch of stuff that your team is bringing you, it's not that they mean any ill will. You just need to find a better way to get through that. And your team is a great way to do that. Challenge is you're the manager and you got to bring people together to communicate. And when you do that, some magical things can happen. Hope this helps. If you like this video, let me know. If you're watching it on YouTube, hit like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later.